Welcome back to 6 News at 6. Time to take a look at your weather. And of course, it's Wednesday, so we start off as we do every Wednesday with our Weather Impact 101 trivia question. And that for this week is during a wildfire. Remember, we are kind of sneaking back into wildfire season. A lot of rain out there. That helps. But again, we always have to watch out for those dry, less humid days that we know are coming in the fall. But during a wildfire, it's possible for flames to spin into a fire tornado. Is that a true statement or a false statement? While I know it sounds like something out of a horror movie, it is in fact a true statement. Now, we are technically calling these fire whirls. They are not technically tornadoes, but they can occur when those rising flames interact with turbulence in the atmosphere, and that can start to spin. The same way as you might see a dust devil on a hot day in a dry, arid climate, same thing with a fire whirl or a fire tornado. Again, scary things Mother Nature can throw our way. And to learn more about what Mother Nature can throw our way, of course, you can download our 6 Plus app, look for our Weather Impact 101 playlist, or you can find that same playlist on YouTube, or you can search kcentv.com for Weather 101. This week's, of course, is on fire whirls. As far as what we have going on, though, not fire. Water. We have rain falling in the area, though not as much as we had the last couple of days. Right now, we're looking at a little batch of storms right now from Hamilton, Gatesville, kind of moving generally north right now. Not moving very fast, and it's not terribly heavy rain either. Another area we're looking at there is from Llano to Burnett. And as I move out of the way, I showed you this during first weather. There is a batch of storms coming across the Neches now, coming towards the Trinity River. And again, you can see that little bow shape, so potentially some stronger winds, maybe up to about 40 miles per hour. We'll see if that can hold together long enough to impact us here in central Texas, because that would obviously be our next best chance for some wet weather. Let's put it in motion here. By the time those storms get here, and again, you can see those clouds flowing out, and you can see that bow shape. So again, 40-mile-an-hour winds possible with this. Could make it as far as I-45, but by the time it does so, we're going to start losing that daytime heat, and it's not going to look like those storms are going to survive too much longer. But could see some more wet weather coming in from the east tonight. After that, though, things are quiet, and we have so much going on in the atmosphere. I'm going to try and go through all of it. So that's day number 1. Let's talk about now days number 2 and 3. Now, we're watching another area of low pressure in the Gulf, kind of like the one that brought us the rain the last few days. This is going to move on shore up through Houston and into East Texas. As it does so, that will provide us with our next best chance of rain. So let's put this in motion. Not much for tomorrow, only going with about a 20% chance tomorrow. You can see everything is isolated, scattered. But then as we head into Friday, I want to show you this. Another quiet night as we head through Thursday night. But here come the showers and storms. You can see that counterclockwise spin once again. Obviously, it's going to come up through the Brazos Valley first, but then continues trekking up I-45, and again, isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms possible, stopping in here Friday at 6 p.m. Guess what? Friday Night Lights starts this week, so if you're heading out to those football games, a few areas, especially in our northern counties, may need to bring that umbrella. By the time you're leaving the football game, we have a little bit of rain in there too, and then that is gone, and we're having another quiet night Friday night into Saturday. The last thing that I want to talk to you about in our atmosphere is happening right now up along the U.S.-Canada border. That is an area of low pressure and a cold front that will impact us. Won't drop our temperatures too much more than they already have, but it could bring us our next best chance for showers and thunderstorms once again. In your 7-day forecast, we're going to be looking at things staying pretty consistent as we head into the Labor Day weekend. As a matter of fact, as we head into your Labor Day weekend towards Sunday and Monday, we could increase those rain chances. So just make sure you have an indoor alternative for those barbecues Sunday and Monday. After that, though, take a look at that. How about the 80s? Yeah, nice way to start the month of September. Remember, you can get your forecast from us at 5, 6, and 10 on the TV, but you can get it on your own time by downloading the 6 Plus app on Roku, Apple TV, or on your